Mr. Chairman, Honorable Ministers, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the government and people of Zimbabwe, I wish to extend my sincere congratulations to the President of UNEA for Mr. Slim V. Kisler for a successful assembly. My delegation congratulates Ms. Inga Anderson on a well-deserved appointment as the new Executive Director of UNEP. We assure you our full support during a term of office. Let me join on behalf of Zimbabwe others in extending our deepest condolences to the UN families, other families, relatives, friends, for those that perished in the Ethiopian airline plane crash of last Sunday morning. Mr. President, there is no doubt that our world is facing a wide range of environmental challenges since the turn of the century. As Zimbabwe, we recognize that these challenges require a paradigm shift in the way we do business. As we may be all aware, the world's poor depend on natural resources for their livelihoods, leading to overexploitation and hence unsustainable utilization of the same. In order to lessen overexploitation, it is imperative to intensify agriculture productivity through use of improved and appropriate technologies at every stage of the agricultural value chain. I therefore call upon development partners and other relevant stakeholders to partner Zimbabwe in enhancing sustainable agricultural productivity. In order to embrace life cycle approaches and address one of our key environmental challenges, that is unsustainable solid waste management, the Zimbabwe government declared a one-day-per-month cleanup program to encourage all citizens to practice sustainable waste management and create a clean, safe and healthy environment as espoused in our Constitution, Section 73. Ladies and gentlemen, wildlife and forest conservation and protection are also a priority for the government of Zimbabwe. We believe the sustainable management of these inseparable cultural resources must benefit and improve livelihoods of local communities. In this regard, Zimbabwe has recently reviewed its national forest policy and the world-renowned communal areas management program for indigenous resources, with the triple objectives of increasing community participation, conservation of these resources, and ultimately enhancing benefits that accrue to communities. As a result of sound wildlife and forest management practices, Zimbabwe has enhanced its tourism attractiveness, leading to significant growth in tourist arrivals in the country and being selected as the best sustainable tourism destination this year. Mr. President, as I conclude, let me reiterate Zimbabwe's support for the generation and upscaling of innovative solutions to environmental changes. However, for us to create the future we want without leaving others behind, there must be a balance between innovative solutions to environmental challenges and sustainable consumption and production as captured in the main theme of UNEA 4 and resolutions thereof. I thank you.
Merci, Madame la Ministre, pour votre déclaration.